Was gonna go out at the fire pit today and cook some stuff on the fire pit. So much for that idea. Look at the rain. And it is just coming down heavy. So much for those plans. Every time I make a plan, the weather always don't cooperate. You can see a bucket I got right there with some little trees in it. I'm going to bring some to my cousin for her field. I planted a bunch around my yard. I'll show them to you guys when the weather's better. You guys, it's a couple of days later. Sorry I'm late putting out a video, but I've been battling the stomach flu for the past week and a half. Plus working all the time don't help either. I got to work again today, but we're going to go out to the fire pit and we're going to cook a few things over it. I just got to get it lit. So we're going to do that before I go to work. Okay, it's good and blazing there now. So while I got the fire pit going, I'm going to cook up some hot dogs and marshmallows while we're out here. So that'd be a good snack anyway. Okay, I'm cooking a second batch of hot dogs there now. And I gotta show you guys the marshmallows I got after in a minute. And this is done. And the wood's falling and I gotta push it back in. I do have a cage over for the top of this, but with the cage on you can't cook anything, so. Okay, hot dogs are done. I got some over there. I don't like mine on a bun. I like mine just with ketchup relish over the top of it, but not on a bun. And that's my hubby's. Coming down just now for my step, and I got stung by a wasp in the leg. That's my luck. It's freaking stinging now, but it'll go. There, we got our hot dogs eat. I'm gonna soon roast some marshmallows in a minute. Nothing better than a crackling fire, and the smell of it smells so nice. And I'm going to show you guys the marshmallows I was talking about that are really, really good. Like, they're good like that, but when they're cooked, they're even better. Hang on. These. Now, I know not everybody's in the maple flavor, but these are really good. I love them. And I was at a person's house one time and they had their fire pit out and a lot of company around, and I brought these and people was eating them and they're like, oh my god, that's so good, what are those? And I told them it was maple marshmallows. Like I said, like that, they're not as good, but when you use them, like when they're cooked over open fire like that or in cooking, really good. Especially roasted over open fire, they taste better. I don't know what it is with flying ants and wasps today. Oh my god. Flying ant after me now. After I just got stung by a wasp in the leg. My leg is stinging and swelling. Don't want to have the fire too high because I don't want to burn my marshmallows. Oh, my leg is throbbing. Oops, flame got too high that time. Oh my god, they even smell good when you cook them. Despite the flying ants and the wasps, I was determined to get out today just to cook some hot dogs and marshmallows before I go to work. And it's really, really good. Sorry it took so long for me to post, guys, but I wasn't feeling good all week. But now I'm back up. Feeling better now. So I'll have more videos for you guys soon. Sorry, I'm eating. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.